Hello, today the moon continues in earthy Virgo, where we focus on the practical, the details of things and getting things done. I'm Marina Orms here with your Astro Vibe for Thursday, June 13th. With the moon continuing today in Virgo, we're thinking about the details, but not just the details, how we need to fix things, to repair things, to make them better, to make them work better, right? So just the same way we want to make our give our machines that attention to maintenance and just the regular maintenance that our cars and our machines need that keeps them running smoothly. We need to give that same kind of attention to the systems in our lives. So that's why we need to periodically clean, declutter, remove dust, right? Clearing the clutter, making things run more smoothly, cleaner, clearer, right? It helps us, body, mind, and soul, to feel like our lives are running more smoothly. So with the moon in Virgo, it's a good time to think about those things. Where are the cobwebs in your life? Where are the dust bunnies? So again, doesn't have to be literal. Maybe it is literal, but maybe it's metaphorical, right? Maybe it's something about your day or your daily routine or things that pull you off track or things that are trying to grab your attention when it's really derailing you from what you want to be doing, from what you could be doing, where you could be being more productive, efficient, and happy, right? So where are the things that need a little attention and need a little cleaning or clearing that can help you open up the space in your life to make things run a little bit more smoothly? So oiling your machines, attending to maybe the files on your computer, right? Where is it that you need to clean and get organized and just make things run a little bit better? So it's fun when we can get into, like, if you can imagine getting really lost in weeding your garden, right? And you forget what you're doing and you're just so absorbed in what's right in front of you that it actually can be nourishing to you at deep levels. So Virgo is about how we do that, how we weed our gardens, clear and clean our spaces, oil our machines, right? So whatever it is, literally or metaphorically, in your life that needs that attention, today is the day that will be most effective to focus on that. As the day goes on, things get a little bit crunchier. We head into the first quarter moon. So the moon in Virgo squares the sun in Gemini, and that brings us to a bumpy point in the moon cycle. So the bumpy point is asking us to think about what's important to us, to make decisions, right? What is a decision? The word decide means to cut away. So you may need to make a decision to cut away something that isn't as useful or helpful to you, something that's not making you happy or serving the greater good of your life. So making a decision means having to remove something or clean or clear something away, and that is going to potentially be something challenging to work through, but also can be very freeing and help things to run more smoothly once you do make that decision. So there might be some tough decisions to make. Could be big, could be small, right? See how it shows up or how that resonates for you and what is showing up for your life. We also have later in the day, so this is toward the evening, I am going to say it's around 10 p.m. my time, Pacific time. I'll put the exact time in the notes for this video. But we also have, not only is the moon forming its first quarter, because Mercury is joining up with the sun and Venus is close by as well. We also have the moon squaring Mercury, Sun, and Venus all together in Gemini. We also have the moon before that exact first quarter. The moon will be opposing Saturn in Pisces. So again, these are energies that are pulling us in different directions, asking us to look at what is conflicting in our lives, and then having to make some decisions about what we want to include or exclude going forward, right? So thinking about what is most useful, because Virgo loves usefulness. And of course, we are in the Gemini moon cycle. So thinking about communication, problem solving, information, learning new things, putting things into words, right? Finding your voice, finding your messaging, finding the best way to say things. So attending to and fine tuning those communications and messages can be a good way of channeling these energies, the feelings that are asking us to get things operating a little bit more smoothly today. So I hope that's helpful. I'm Marina Orms. You can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com. Thanks so much for being here and for subscribing to this YouTube channel. I will be here next time with more astrology for unshakable self-care, here with you every day to look at what the stars are helping us to see. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.